Welcome. If you're looking to update the social links on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your social link on your Facebook page following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. This will take you directly to your page. Once you're on your page, look for the menu options under your cover photo. Click on the About section. This is where all your page's details are stored. Now, scroll down until you find the Social Link section. This is where your connected social media accounts are displayed. Next to your current social link, you'll notice a small edit icon. Click on this icon to start making changes. A window will pop up allowing you to add a new social link, edit the existing one, or remove it altogether. Simply type in the new link or make any adjustments you need. Double-check your changes to make sure everything is correct. Once you're happy with your updates, look for the Save button at the bottom of the window. Click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your Facebook page now displays your updated social link. Remember, keeping your social links current helps your followers find you on other platforms and stay connected. If you ever need to update your links again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.